Wow, go as fast as you can.
Okay.
Yeah! Hey YouTube, I'm Mike.
And I'm Kevin.
And we're the
3D Print Duo.
This is our first video. We just wanted to show a bit of our setup. We have our P2S printer here. You can open the door up there, Kev.
Yeah,
So this is made by Bambu Lab. Got our little display here.
Got a little display. Of course, all the filament.
Yep.
Sorry, I have the hiccups.
Kevin's got a bit of the hiccups today.
Yeah, I got the hiccups.
That's all right. So this is the AMS2 that can feed filament into the printer.
Yeah, and there's it's cables, a little compressor thingy that I think it uses to make the poopies.
So these are all of our 3D printing tools. We'll just show you a little bit of what we got. What do we have here, Kevs?
We have the D40.
D40, you'll need that to lubricate the print sometimes.
Yeah, and 3D print glue. Yeah, you need that one a lot.
And maybe you could show these tools a bit if you want to grab something there, Kevs.
Okay, so
we have a variety of kind of sanding tools of different shapes. So those are good for refining your prints, but also it's kind of fun just to play with.
Yes, yes. I play with these a lot.
Yeah. He's shredding up all this stuff all the time. While he shreds, I'll show you some of our other stuff. We just have a scrubby to clean the bed of the printer. We have some ball bearings. So the ball bearings, some prints need them just to be able to spin things around really fast. Oh yeah, we got one example here.
Yeah, like for this print you needed a ball bearing.
Yep.
And this elastic band makes it like spin a little bit faster. I even show you what it does.
Wow, go as fast as you can.
Okay.
Yeah! So that's using ball bearings. I have a little bag of these here. These are actually keyboard button clickers. But lots of prints use these as little light clicker prints. We also have a scraper so that you can scrape things off of the bed of the printer once something's done printing. This tool in particular is just like a little clipper, like mini garden shears. Yeah, and a lot of these other tools we don't use a lot. There's like one to clean out the extruder if it ever gets jammed. But I would say we use a lot of these far less frequently.
Okay, this is the one that like actually has the clicker noise and he's very cute.
You can hear the clicker, yeah.
Yeah, you can hear the clicker.
Yeah, that's kind of all of our tools. Maybe I'll move you over here and you can see our other stuff, our waste and our filament. We're gonna show you our filament table.
Yeah.
We have tons of filament.
Yeah.
And Kevin's gonna give it a spin for you.
These ones right here are like basic filaments. These ones are all basic filaments.
PLA basic.
Yeah. Yeah, and these ones are super cool filaments.
These are PLA silk. Those are the only two filaments we use for now, PLA Basic and PLA Silk, but maybe we'll use more in the future.
And this one's like a rainbow one, which is really cool.
And the last thing we'll show you over here, aside from all those filaments, is our waste bucket. This is where all the little poopies go.
Yeah, because we obviously don't need the poopies. It's so much weight.
Some of it's pretty cool. We have a skibbity toilet that didn't quite work out.
Skibbity toilet, pay.
We have some other models that just didn't quite work out.
Yeah, there's some models that didn't
But a lot of it is the little tiny poopies and supports. We'll give you guys a little preview of our printer actually printing here. Right now the nozzle is heating up, so you can see the temperature going up. And we're printing a best teacher set of text to give to Kevin's teacher.
Yeah, it's because my teachers were tiring. It's really sad.
But this is a very nice gift that you're giving her. You can see her printing away. We could even open the door here.
Yeah. It's a little loud.
It's a little loud.
Yeah.
Not too bad with the door closed. It's a little loud when it's open.
Wait, let me record something. My ears!
Oh my gosh. We have our 100 models here. We have our table of filaments, filament on both sides. We've got all of our tools, and here's our printer. All right, so that's what we're working with. You saw the 3D printer, the filament, our tools, our models.
Yeah, our models, and we all will be working with the waste box.
The waste box is just extra. We keep the poopies in there. But subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, subscribe to our channel.
We'll do some more videos like this.
We'll do some more videos.
See you soon.
Bye!
Bye.
Bye!